Hi, I am Pregymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 14th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 14th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in nutrients and at the same time choose guilt-free choices in your dessert. Go for honey and jaggery as compared to white sugar choices. For 14th week, we will see how to make a nutritious ladoo, made of dates, nuts and oats. Ingredients required for nutritious ladoo: oats, 100 grams, chopped dates, 50 grams, chopped almonds and pistachios, 50 grams, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon, condensed milk, 25 milliliters, ghee, 1 teaspoon. Nutritious ladoo, for the 14th week. Let us see how to make this delicious nutritious dessert. Heat ghee in a pan. Roast the oats in it till it gets golden brown. Add the nuts mix and fry it with the oats for few minutes. In a separate pan, gently warm the dates for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes soft. Nutritious ladoo. In a bowl, mix well the oats, nuts, dates, cardamom powder and the condensed milk together. Wet your palms with ghee and roll to make the nutritious ladoo. Nutritious ladoo. This is a very quick and easy to make recipe for your 14th week of pregnancy. It's delicious, yet nutrition rich. The oats are gluten-free, soluble fibers which helps to lower cholesterol. Dates are rich in fiber, high in antioxidants and promotes brain health. Nuts are nutrition bundles, with high dose of antioxidants and vitamin E. And then, hope you liked the 14th week pregnancy recipe video from Pregymatic. Pregymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.